Hi guys, PJ here. Today working on a 2010 NV200 Nissan van. I'm going to really quickly show you how to remove the factory fitted radios. Really simple on one of these, no really specific tools needed. So first things first, in the most awkward part, there's a knob that sticks on here and basically you just push it up. So you push the knob up and off it comes. I would show it you, but this van was actually without the knob, so I can't show it you. But there's basically a plastic little slider thing here, and you push it up and it comes off. Okay, it's quite stiff, so just be careful you don't snap the clip off. There's a hole there, look, that it clips into. This has obviously been in bits before, and somebody's had a bit of a pry at it, and then they've lost it. Moving down here to the gear lever area, you're going to need like a plastic leverage tool, and basically we're going to lever it up, clip all the way around until it pops up like so, revealing two Phillips screws. We've got one here and one here to take out. We'll get down there, there you go, just there, look, each side. Take those two out, and then you're going to get your leverage tool again around the sides and probably up at the top here a bit as well, look, like so, and lever it all the way around. It's on clickers, it's on like poppers, so we'll just pop that off. Once that's free, you can take away the whole thing like so. It's on these clicky things, look, spring clips all the way around. Move that safely to one side, and you've then got 4 Phillips screws, one here, same at the other side. Take those 4 out. Magnetic screwdriver is ideal, guys, because these screws can disappear down into the abyss at the back of your dashboard if you're not careful. With all 4 removed, I highly recommend you cover the lower half of the dashboard. The back of this is steel. You could well scratch all the heater and everything, so just, be a little bit careful. Pull the whole thing forwards, and then you've got your aerial connector, which is squeeze and pull, and you've got your main power connector to the radio. Pinch and pull, and that's it. That's how you remove the radio on this particular van. Just a quick note before we wrap this up. If you're fitting an aftermarket radio on this particular vehicle, this van, you're going to need an ISO adapter. Now, most likely it's this one, CT20 NS05, made by Connect2. There are other brands and there are some variations, so you will need to check, but this is the most common one for this van. Basically, this converts the vehicle's plug into standard ISO, so you can plug any aftermarket radio into it. Sort of point that out for you, might be useful. You can buy these on Amazon, eBay, most car shops, that type of place. You're also going to need a Nissan aerial adapter. This is again Connect2 one, CT27AA75, to convert the square plug of the aerial adapter into a normal plug. So in other words, your cable looks like this, and you connect the blue wire to the blue wire coming out the back of your radio. That's pretty straightforward. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.